Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be this is day number 4, week 8, day number 4, week 8, fall 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. All right. My name is Mr. Petit. Today is Thursday, the 23rd of October, 2025. The subject is, of course, we can start off with mathematics. And the theme, still the same theme, is geometry, geometrical concepts. The topic is geometry rules. Geometry rules. This is what part? What part is this? If y'all don't remember, that's fine. Put this in red. Put this in green. And
Part 7.
Part 7. Okay. Thank you. Let's put this in blue. So geometry rules, part 7. All right, so we're gonna go on and explain this one. So this is geometry rule. What number? Because the last one we did was, I think, 8. I don't know. I can't remember. But y'all let me know.
Rule
Okay.
7.
This rule 7? Okay. All right, so this one states that co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees, right?
Mr. Petit.
Yes.
But the topic is supposed to be Rule 5.
Rule 5. Okay, thank you. Co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. They form a C shape. Well, let's do robotic. C shape or backward C shape. Robotic C shape. All right. So if we say, right, that these two angles are, they add up to 180 degrees, there's a fancy word that we use to say that it adds up 180 degrees. There's a fancy word.
Co-interior?
No. No. If they add up to 180 degrees, it starts with S. Y'all know? It starts with S. S-U. Y'all know? Israel, you don't know? Where's Israel?
I'm right here.
What is the word that we use for saying that two angles add up 180 degrees?
Isn't it like supplementary or something?
Yes, supplementary. Yes, supplementary. Where's Daphne? Is Daphne here? No? Okay. All right, so that's the word that we use. Supplementary. Supplementary. Okay. Okay. So when we when we have two angles that add up to 180 degrees, we call them supplementary angles. All right. Go ahead, Kanan, we'll read rule number 7.
Yeah, so geometry rule number 7. Co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. They form a robotic C shape or backward robotic C shape.
Very good. Tyler, can you read rule 7 for me, please?
Geometry rule 7. Co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. They form a robotic C shape or a backward robotic C shape.
Very good. And I need one more person, a volunteer, read rule 7 for me.
Oh, can I read it?
Yes, you can, yes. Go ahead.
Co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. They form a robotic C shape or backward robotic C shape.
Very good. Very good. All right, so that means where's Malia? Where's Malia? Malia, can you?
Quality?
Yes. Where's Malia?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What shape does do co-interior angles form? What shape?
A robotic C shape.
A robotic C shape. Very good. And what do they add up to?
180 degrees.
Very good. They add up to 180 degrees. Very good. All right. So let's make a note of that. So let's go ahead and draw it, right? So we have okay. So we have this line right there. All right. Let's put this in a block. What is a block? Oh gosh. And then we have this other one. All right. What could we say about these two lines? What could we say about these two lines? Yeah. They are what?
They are parallel.
They are parallel. Very good. They are parallel. So these two lines are parallel. All right. So, all right, good. And so let's say we have that and something like this. And let's say that we have, gosh, good. And let's say that we have this angle right there. Can y'all see the C shape already or y'all didn't see it yet?
I see it.
You see it? Okay. Let me highlight it for the rest of us who don't see it yet. Okay, so we have, let me do that. So this is gonna be hello, Dominique. All right, so A equals to B. Why is A equal to B? No, they're not equal, my bad. They're not equal. They add up to 180 degrees. So A plus B is equal to what? A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. All right, so let me go ahead and highlight it. So this is the highlighted stuff. Okay, so all right. Do y'all see the C shape? Do y'all see the C shape? Let me know if y'all see the C shape.
So,
Yeah? Okay, good. That's good. All right, so Acacia, does this make sense to you so far? Okay. All right, so let's do another one. So basically that's the concept, right? So
First
A and
time I ever been.
so basically that's the concept, right? A and B, A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. That's the idea, all right? A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. So they add up to 180 degrees, all right? So you see that these two in the middle, they're gonna be 180 degrees. So if you know one, then the other one, you just, in order to get it, just subtract with 180 degrees, all right, to get it, all right? So, okay, with that said, let's go. So let's do another one. So let's say, let me give you another one. I'm gonna ask y'all a question. Let me see if y'all remember. This is a question that I said. I don't know if y'all remember the answer. So we know that these two lines are parallel, right? But the line that I draw here, the same line, what do we call that line? The same line right there.
Transversal.
Yes, we
Transversal.
call it the transversal. Who answered that? Who answered that? That's Acacia. Very good, Acacia. Yes, it is a transversal. All right. So this is gonna be so we're gonna put this in here. So let's say that this is D, and let's say that this is E, right? So that means that this right here,
Excuse me, Mr. Petty.
uh-huh.
But where's the Wi-Fi problem when it came to starting class?
Yes, we had Wi-Fi just turned on. So that's why we start late.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is the first slide, so you understand. All right. All right. So that means that A plus B, not A plus B. That means that D plus E, so D plus E is equal to what? 180 degrees. All right. Does that make sense to everyone? Let me know if that makes sense to you. Let me know.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So what type of angles how do we call them? We say that they are what?
Co-interior.
Co-interior angles. Very good. And co-interior angles add up to
180.
180.
180 degrees. Very good. All right. All right. All right. Any questions on this so far? Even for those who just joined?
Okay.
You're good? All right. So let's go ahead and do some practice with this. So what I want you to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I think this is the last rule that I'm going to give you all. We did alternate, we did co-interior, we did vertically opposite. Yeah, this is the last rule. So I'm gonna go over all the rules and then we're gonna do some practice problems on them, right? So this is the last rule. Thank God. Not that I hate geometry, because geometry is nice. It's just Wally. It's done. Good to be done with the rules. Now we just practicing. So that's good. So all right. So I need everyone to send in their work, please. Where's Johnny? Johnny, are you there? Where's Johnny? Johnny, can you hear me? Where's Johnny? Johnny, can you hear me? Can't hear from Johnny. Nehemiah Davis. There's Nehemiah.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Kelvin Gordon, I know you came a bit after. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Very good. All right. And Kanan, you understand this? Kanan? Where's Kanan? Kanan, can you hear me? I need
I
everyone
understand it.
Okay, that's good. I need everyone to send their work, please. Can take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Need everyone to do that.
I accidentally sent my work to the secretary.
Oh, just send it to me.
Yeah, because I deleted.
Oh, you mustn't do that. That's fine. All right, so let's do this one. So go ahead.
We still have a religion and social studies.
We have longer maths. So if I do, we'll have it, but it's not gonna be long. But I'm gonna do maths
sure.
until
Thank you.
I'll do maths until for a while. All right, so let's do these two. So these are gonna be our examples. So let me enable the chat. Okay. So they want us to find the missing angle. Now, so for the first one, they want us to find what B is. Right? That's what they want us to do. And for the second one, they want us to find what A is. Good. All right, so I want you all to draw this quickly. So occasional rule, can you tell me how we're gonna get
Pardon me?
how are we gonna get number one? What are we gonna do? What is B gonna be equal to?
Is B gonna be equal to A?
Wait,
Oh,
I can hear
180.
I can hear you clearly now. There's no zoom, zoom sound. I don't know what you
Oh,
changed, but yeah.
okay.
So
I kind of understand, but I kind of don't. But I'm really guessing right now.
okay, try.
I guess, would B be equal to 60? Then you have to like add it or subtract it by 180.
Okay, excellent. So in order for us to get B, we have to subtract it from subtract 180 and 60. Because remember, this angle here and this angle, they are co-interior angles, which means that they add up to how much? They add up to what? Class.
180.
180, very good.
180.
They add up to 180 degrees, right?
I thought
So
60.
no, they're not equal, right? They're not equal. So so that means you have to subtract it, right? So B is gonna be equal to, oopsies, sorry. B is gonna be equal to 180 degrees, right? Minus what? Minus 60 degrees, which gives us what? 180 degrees. What y'all get when you subtract 180 minus 60? You get what?
120.
120.
120. Where's Carly C? Carly C.
Radio.
Very good. I see your answer in the
Radio.
chat. I see your answer in the side of the chat. Very good. So B is equal to 120 degrees. All right. So Cleveland, why you delete yours? Cleveland. All right, so B is equal to 120. It's corrected. That's fine. All right, excellent. Okay, so we understand number one, right? Before I move on to number two. So B is 120. That's a question. Y'all don't be afraid to answer. Do y'all understand number one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
So
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
So B is equal to 120 degrees. All right, so that's that. Now let's go on to A. So for A, Albert Rocks. Where's Albert? Albert Rocks, can you hear me? Albert Rocks, can you hear me? Where's he? Can't hear from Albert. Brian Johnson. Where's Brian Johnson? No. Brian Johnson, can you hear me? Okay, how about Brene Clark? No, sorry, Brianna Clark. Brianna Clark.
Hello?
Brianna, how are we gonna get A for number two?
Are you gonna do the same method you did for number one?
Yes. And what is that? So A is equal to
Take
what?
away 131 to
Take away 180 minus what?
130.
130, very good. And class, when we do 180 minus 130, which would we get?
50.
50.
What?
Yeah, 50 degrees.
50, very good.
Mr. T, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Why do we subtract? How do we know to subtract?
Very good question. Because remember, if we go back to the rule tells us that these two angles have to add up to 180 degrees. So if we know what one is, all we need to do is subtract to get the other one. That's why we subtract. I don't know if that, hopefully that makes sense. Because all two of them supposed to add up to 180 degrees. So if you add 120 plus 60, that gives you 180. So if you know one, if they give you one, then you just subtract to get the other one. Make sense?
It does. Thank you.
Yeah. Good. All right. All right, so what I need you to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Renee Sweeting,
Yes, sir.
do you understand this?
Kinda.
Kinda. Okay, so basically, the idea is that these two angles. Ooh, what do you know? I forgot. I forgot to show you all the C shape. So the C shape is where's Renee Sweeting? So
Right here.
you see the C shape, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if it has a C shape, what type of angle is this? If it has a C shape, this is what? Co
And
co-interior angle. Very good. And so what we know about co-interior angles? They add up to
they
what?
add up to 180 degrees.
Very good. So that's good. So that means, right? If this one is 60 and they add up to 180, and for order for us to find what B is, we have to subtract with 180 degrees. That's very important. Okay, so that's how we do that. Same thing with this one. Let me show you all the C. So the C shape is gonna be so this is the C shape right now. This is a C shape, right? So if this is the C shape, then what's the reason? What type of angles we call these? If we have the C shape on the inside, call these what?
Co-interior angle.
Very good, co-interior angle. So we call them co-interior angles. And we know that they add up to
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Very good. They add 180 degrees. All right. All right. So does that make a little bit more sense, Renee, or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Where is Jed Monroe? Where are you, Jed?
I'm right there.
Good. So let me explain to you what we have done. Let me just give you the rule. So if you look at this particular diagram, read rule 7 because I know you just joined.
Yes, sir.
Read it. Go ahead, read it.
Oh, co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees.
Very good.
They form a robotic C shape or backwards robotic C shape.
Very good. So they add up to 180 degrees and they form a C shape or they form a backward robotic C shape. So that means that if we have these two in the middle, they're going to add up to how much?
180.
180 degrees. Do you see the C shape in both of them? Like this one is
Yes,
a C,
sir.
this is a backward C. So that's the idea, right? So
Yes,
take
sir,
a picture of this before we move on to the next one.
Okay, I got it.
Got it? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
next we have this one. So what we did is we look at We look at this one. This one is, they gave us that this is 60 degrees, right? So this is 60 degrees. We know that this is 60. So if in order for us to get B, what we gonna do?
Times 2.
Times 2. No, if we know that this is 60, and we know that both of them add up to 180 degrees, how are we gonna get B? If we know that this is 60, right? We see the C shape, so that's co-interior. And we know that this is 60, how are we gonna get B?
Oh, you minus 180.
Yes. Why are we minus with 180 degrees?
Because that's how much degrees it is.
It's add up to, right?
So
Very good. That's exactly right. Same thing with this one. We know that this is 130, but in order to get A, what we gonna do?
subtract.
Subtract. Very good. Subtract from how much?
50.
Subtract 50 from what?
180.
180. Very good. So that's that. All right. So take a screenshot of this and then you could write it down. All right.
Okay.
All right. So let's go. All right. So let's move on. So we have, let me go ahead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list of all of the rules that we've done. And then just to summarize everything, and then we're going to move on and do a bunch of problems involving those rules. So these are the geometry rules that we went over. Geometry rules. So let's write them down to summarize everything. So you should know them. You should know these by heart. Okay, so let's go. So the first one that we did was that we said that angles on a straight line add up to what? What we say about angles on a straight line?
180.
180 degrees. Very good. So angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. The second one, I don't know which one comes first, second, or what. So y'all gotta tell me. I think the second one was angles around a point. Angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. I think that's the second one I gave y'all. Good. The third one was angles inside a triangle. What do they add up to? Angles inside a triangle add up to what?
180.
180.
180 degrees. Very good. The fourth one was angles inside a quadrilateral add up to what?
Okay. 360.
360, very good. 360 degrees. Very good. The fifth one was alternate angles are what? Equal. They form a Z or S shape. The sixth one was no. The first one was vertically opposite angle. The fifth one was vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite vertically opposite angles are equal. And we have alternate angles are equal. I mean, yeah, they form a Z shape. Then we have then we have co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are equal. They form a C shape. So it's only 7 that I gave you, all right? So see, let's see. This is 7. Yeah. All right, so these are the rules that you should know. These are the rules that you should know and be familiar with. All right. Because all of them help you when you're doing like different questions and stuff like that. All right. So good. So let's make a little description of these things, right? So for this one, angles on a straight line at a common point. So angles on a straight line at a common point add up to 180 degrees. So that's how that one look. Like this. The third one, angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So that's gonna be this, this. Oh boy, that's terrible. That's gonna be this, this. So this is A, B, C, D, right? Angles inside a triangle. A, B, C.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
For alternate angle, you put they for a Z or S shape.
Oh, did I? Thank you. They form. I was supposed to say they form. Oh, wow. They form. Thank you. They form a Z-S shape. Quadrilaterals. Yeah, quadrilaterals. So that's like a box. So A, B, C, and D. Vertically opposite angles are equal, so like this. So A, B, and alternate angles like this and this. So the Z shape. So as we did yesterday. And then co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are gonna be this, and this, and this. It's gonna be co-interior angles. All right. All right, good. All right, good. Any questions on these rules that we have? Any questions? Chai, where's Chai? Chai, can you read the first rule for me? Where's Chai?
Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees.
Very good. And Sion, read the second rule.
Angles around point add up to 360 degrees.
Very good. Cleveland, read the third one.
Angles built inside a triangle equal to 180 degrees.
Very good. Courtney, Raming, read number Read number 4.
Angle in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees.
Very good. Davinique, read number 5.
Vertically opposite angles are equal.
Very good. Dorcia, read number 6. Yes, Dorcia.
I right here.
Yeah, read number 6 to me.
Alternate angles are equal. They
Very-
form a Z or S shape.
Very good. And Sharonique, read the last one.
Co-interior angles are equal. They form a C shape.
Very good. Very good. All right, so we're gonna combine all these rules together, right? Patrick, did you ever finish the stuff I sent you the first time? One, two. It's Patrick. Patrick, can you hear me? Can't hear from Patrick. Okay. Patrick, can you hear me? Oh, you said yes, sir. Okay, good. Did you send the pictures? Let me see.
Yes, sir.
You did. I see them. Yeah, I don't see you. I don't see them.
I sent them to you.
Say it again.
What's that? Send them
Yeah.
to you on WhatsApp.
No, I don't see them. Oh, wait, never mind. I see them. You're right. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna send you the rest. So this is
Okay,
for
thank you.
Sharonique, Chai, Malia. You know, I ain't send y'all stuff in a while. So I'm gonna send y'all these things. All right, so let's go ahead and continue with this. So this is that. There's one more. I think that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That will be, let's go. Good. So Chai, Nalia, Sharonique, Patrick, and Malia and Chai. Do y'all see it? What I sent y'all? Let me know.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Please complete them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And take a screenshot of what you do. All right, so good. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to let's do a bunch of practice problems. This is my favorite part of stuff. That's why I was so anxious to get over like the actual once we get over the rules, we just could flow. We just could flow. You know, once we get over the rules, we just can move and flow and stuff like that. So now we know all the rules, so all we need to do is just apply them, right? So we're gonna start with our first question. And again, we're just gonna work these things out, right? So we're gonna do them together. And so step by step. Are y'all done with these rules? Let me know if y'all got them before I move on. Got them?
Yes, sir.
Good, perfect. So let's start off with this particular shape. So when you see a shape like this, right? What's the first rule that comes to mind? You'd be like, what's the first rule you think you could use when you see something like this?
So,
When you see something like this, what rule comes to mind? What rule?
Angles in a quadrilateral that add up
Angles
to
and
360.
very good. Angles in a quadrilateral, right? So that's the first thing, because we are in a quadrilateral. And how do we know that we're in a quadrilateral?
It has
It
four
has-
sides.
It has four sides. Very good. Someone is called Blooming Buds Daycare Preschool. Who's that? Blooming Buds Daycare Preschool. That's someone name. I don't know what that is.
Dang.
Cleveland, come on. Not everything needs a reaction. Someone's called Blooming Buds Daycare and Preschool. Who's that? No? Okay. All right, so first things first. Good evening, Leandrea. So first, good evening.
Oh.
So first things first is Davinique, what shape is this? This is a what?
The quadrilateral.
A quadrilateral. Very good. So remember now what we know about quadrilaterals. First of all, why is it a quadrilateral? Because it has how many sides?
Four.
1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That's why we call it quadrilateral. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. That's the first thing. All right. So that's the first thing we're gonna like think about. Like, okay, maybe we have to apply something about the quadrilateral. And we know that angles in the quadrilateral add up to 360. What else? We also see, right? We also see parallel lines. So we see parallel lines moving through like this and like this. So the first thing that they tell us that they want us to find x, then y, then z. Looking at this, I would not find x first. I'm not gonna find x first because yeah, you can find x first. Yeah, you can. I don't know if you all see it, but you can find x first. Let's do that. And before I give it to y'all, can anyone tell me how we gonna find x? Before I just tell y'all, y'all might know. Look at it.
By adding 44 and
Would you
80.
subtract 180? Would you subtract 180 and 44?
No. Now,
Subtracting from 360?
wait, Israel, why you say 180 and 44? Israel.
Because they're co-interior angles.
Okay, this is a very good, please look at this. This is a very good point that she's making that I want y'all to see. You see this, right? You see this, right? And y'all see this. So she is saying that this is co-interior angle. Do we agree that this is co-interior angle? What I just put in red. Is that a co-interior angle? Look at it.
I don't think so, actually.
You don't? Anyone can answer. Is it, what shape do co-interior angles form? What shape do they?
The robotic C.
A robotic C. Does this look like a robotic C?
Somewhat, actually, yes, sir.
Somewhat. But look, like, you see the
No, it don't.
lines? It doesn't, right? Because look at this. This is like that. Wait. We have this like this, right? And then this one goes side, and then this one, they like come together almost like a triangle. So the
It's a
problem is,
triangle.
yeah, so the problem is that these two lines are not parallel. The two lines in red, they're not parallel. The only way this works is, remember, we start off with our rule. We start off with parallel lines. That's the only way it works. These two lines must be parallel. So that's very important. So Israel, that's what I wanted to show you. You can't do it if the lines are not parallel. You see what I'm saying? That's Israel. So we can't do x and 44. So, but we have parallel lines though. We have parallel lines somewhere on this diagram. So let's make a note of where we have our parallel lines. First off, this is parallel, okay, to this. They are parallel, right? And okay, so we have parallel lines. And then, can anyone see the C shape now? By the way, it's a C shape or a U shape. I should mention that. It could be C or U. Because you know, you could form it depending on how you like orient it. It could be like a C or a U. So do y'all see the C shape or a U shape? Do y'all see that? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
But very good. I'm not only talking to Davinique and the other person and Dion. I'm talking to all of you. Do y'all see the C shape? Let me know.
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very good. Very
Yes,
good,
sir.
Carl. Very good. Dorcia, do you see the C shape? Dorcia. Dorcia, are you there?
Yes,
Dor-
sir.
Do you see the C shape? Dorcia, you see this, do you see the shape, C shape? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So what do we know about, this is Dion. What do we know about angles that form a C shape, Dion? What do we know about them? Dion Thompson, what do we know about angles that form a C?
the co-interior
Very good. They are co-interior and they add up to how much?
180.
Very good. Thank you. So can someone tell me how I'm gonna get X? How am I gonna get X?
We have to subtract from 180, so that would give you 100 for X.
Very good. So 180 degrees minus 80 degrees. All right. And it's gonna be equal to,
Hold on. Wait. But isn't there a 44 here?
we are not worrying about the 44. We're just concerned about this one and that one. We ain't worrying about the 44.
All right.
So it's gonna be equal to 100. So this is 100. All right, so that's that. Gina, where's Gina? So it's 100 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Good. Do you understand how we got X?
Yes, sir.
How do we get X?
$180 subtract 80.
Very good. Why did we subtract with 180?
Because it's on a straight line.
No, not because I was on a straight line. What rule we use? What shape is this? What shape is this? Or what letter it form? It's a what? What shape?
A C.
A C shape. What do we know about C shape angles? They are what? They add up to how much?
180.
180. So that's why we subtract 80 and X. 80 and that's why we subtract 180 and 80 because we know that they add up to 180. So that means that if this is 80, X must be 100 because the sum should be 180 degrees. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Gracia, are you writing this down? Where's Gracia? Gracie, are you writing this down? You writing this down? Very good. And Israel, can you explain to me how I got 100? Israel,
Okay, so
but
I'm here. So since it's a co-interior angles, are equal to 180. So it would be 180 minus 80, and that would equal 100.
How
So
do we know? How do we know it's
would
a,
be equal to 100
how do we know it's
because it's a
cointerior?
C shape.
It's a C shape. Why didn't we use the 44 like you suggested? What was the reason? Why is that not a good idea?
Because it wasn't shaped like a C.
It wasn't shaped like a C. More than that, the two lines are not what? These two lines, they are not what? This line,
Parallel.
they're not parallel lines. So the only way it works is if you have two parallel lines and a transversal cutting it. Just like this transversal right now. Wait. This transversal right now, which cuts the two parallel lines. This one right now. Okay, so we have x is equal to 100 degrees. All right, so this is 100 degrees. X is 100. Good. All right. Good. So how are we gonna get y? Any suggestions on y? How are we gonna get y?
I think y would equal up to 80.
Y is 80.
No, because you see, like, around that area by the 80, doesn't it have to make a, oh,
Y is not 80.
I thought
You
it
know
would
what?
have made a Z shape though.
No, y is easy. Y is the easiest one on it.
Oh, I think I get y is 44. Well, because it's a Z like shape.
I have
Very
an
good.
idea.
He's right, Israel. Sorry. I don't know if he's gonna say the
What
same
did
thing.
you
What you gonna say, Israel?
No, I was going to say the same thing, just a different way. Well,
What you-
he said, well,
Go ahead.
what did he say again? He said they were vertically opposite?
No, he said that they form a Z shape.
Okay.
That was what you was thinking, or you was thinking something different?
I was thinking about that.
Yes. So what do we call angles that form a Z shape? They are what?
They are alternate angles.
They are alternate angles. So that means that it's gonna be this and that and this. Do we all see the Z shape? Let me know if you all see the Z shape.
Yes.
Jed, Monroe,
Yes,
do you Jed, do you see the Z shape? Where's Jed Monroe?
Yes, sir.
Good. And what do we know, Jed, about angles that form a Z shape? They are what?
I don't know.
Let's go back to the rules. There'll be rule number 6. Real rule number 6.
Alternate angles are equal.
They are equal. Very good. So let's go back here. So you see the Z shape. You know that this is 44. So what must Y be equal to?
44.
44 degrees. And why is that?
Because they're alternate.
They're alternate. And alternate angles are?
The same.
They're the same. Very good. Very good. So that means this is 44 degrees. And just to, for like a reason, by the way, in the exam, you do not need to put a reason unless they ask you specifically for a reason. But I'm going to put a reason for your notes. Okay, so alternate angles. Alternate angles. So alternate angles, they form a Z shape they are equal to each other. And just like that, you got that, right? So alternate angles. So it's gonna be 44 degrees. So this is 44 degrees. All right, so 44 degrees, 44 degrees. All right. Very good. Khadijah, do you understand this? Where's Khadijah? Khadijah, do you understand this? Khadijah, can you hear me?
Kinda.
Kinda. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
let's see if we I'm gonna make it a little bit more clear for you, elusify it. So we know, okay, what shape is this? What shape is this? Khadijah. What shape is this?
I forget the name, but I know what shape it is though.
Yeah, I just want a shape. I want a name. This is a what?
Wait. Oh my god. I have the shape in my head, but I forget it.
Okay, let me draw it clearly for you. You can't mistake this one.
Now that's a Z.
A Z, very good. It's a Z. Good. So it's a Z shape. What do we know about Z shape? This number 6. They are what? We call them.
Alternate angles are equal.
Very good. They're alternate angles. Very good. So that means that Y and 44, if we know that this is 44, what must Y be equal to if they're equal?
Right there. I cannot see really clearly because your screen is blurry.
Okay. So I'm saying if this is 44 right here, and this is Y, we know they form a Z shape and they are equal. So if this is 44, what must Y be equal to?
Wait. Can you do your screen a little clearer?
This is the class I could do. I don't. The rest of y'all seeing it blurry as well? I don't know.
I
No,
don't know
sir.
if it's just my screen, but I seen it blurry.
Okay, let
The
me do it.
number right there, but I cannot see it clearly.
The number is 44, right? So this is 44, and this is Y. So if we know that they are equal, right? And they form
Yes,
a
sir.
Z shape, right? If one is 44 degrees, what must Y be equal to?
The same thing, eh?
Exactly the same thing, which is what?
44.
44, right? That's what we mean by alternate angles. They have to be equal. So if this is 44 degrees here, this must also be 44 degrees. Does that
44
make
degrees.
Does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Just making sure. All right, did anyone get a Z? Did anyone get Z yet?
I got 3.
You got Z? Very good. What you got for Z?
I got 136 degrees.
100 and what?
36 degrees.
136 degrees. Okay, 136 degrees. How you got that?
So I added 100. Oh wait, hold on. I think I did something wrong. It was supposed to be 180 minus 44.
Okay. 180 minus
Okay.
44. Wait, okay, let me see how you did it. Let me see your train of thought. Wait, let me erase all this. Can I erase this? Okay, I can't. So let me move this. I don't need all this. I don't know. It's acting funny. Okay, so let's go back. So what's your line of reasoning is, Israel? What do you think?
No, I did it wrong because I thought Z was inside the quadrilateral.
Oh, you thought Z was inside the quadrilateral. Okay, okay.
But since it isn't, it would still be 180 minus 44
180 minus 44. Why you say that?
because it's a straight line.
Very good. Very good. I don't know if you all heard her, but the idea is this. She's spot on. So the idea is we have this straight line, right? A straight line that we have. We know that angles on a straight line at a common point must add up to 180 degrees. So if this is 44 and this is Z and they're on a straight line, they have to add up 180 degrees. So can someone tell me how I'm gonna get Z? Go ahead. Yes.
But I still got the same answer that I did.
Let me see. The reason is what you did, you add them all up and subtract from 360.
Yes, sir.
You know why? You got the same answer? Because think of this. This right here. This right here. Oh, there's one more.
Oh,
There's one more that I did. There's one more rule that we haven't done.
corresponding.
Corresponding, yes. I figured there's one more.
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't done corresponding. So we have to do corresponding. Yeah, they corresponding. So that's why. So, but anyway, let's go back to Z. So Z is gonna be equal to 180 degrees. So Z is equal to, Z is equal to 180 degrees. Oh boy, that's terrible, right? 180 degrees minus 44. And when we subtract 180 degrees and 44, what do we get? 180
136 degrees.
minus 44. We got 136. You sound a bit muffled, Israel. I don't know if you could correct that a bit. 0 minus 4, well, we don't know what that is. Can't do that. This becomes 7. This becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. It's going to be 136. So I got 136. 136. And the reason is because obviously we are dealing with a straight angle. So straight angle. Y'all is write straight as STR8. Anyone do that?
Oh, wait, I do that sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. Straight angle. Just don't do it in the exam. Straight angle.
No, I won't.
That's good. Straight angle. So that means that this is going to be what? 136 degrees. Very good. Because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So that's how we got that. So Kelvin Gordon, where's Kelvin Gordon? Kelvin.
So,
Do you understand how we got Z?
kind of.
Do you understand how we got Z?
Yes, sir.
You said kind of.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So notice, right? This is on a straight line, right? Kelvin?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is on a straight line. What do we know about angles on a straight line at a common point? That's number one. Read that rule.
Angles on straight line add up to 180 degrees.
Very good. So if they're on a straight line at a common point, they have to add up to 180 degrees, right? So, okay, cool. So on a straight line at a common point, they add up to 180 degrees. So that means that if we know that this is 44, how are we going to get Z? You tell me.
Minus 44 from 180.
Very good. And we minus it because they should add up to how much?
180.
180 degrees. Very good. So that's how we get Z. Does that make a little bit of more sense to you? Very good. Very good. Okay, so what I want y'all to do is, any questions on this before I move on? Jed, Khadijah, Kelvin, Davinique, Dorcia, y'all have any questions for me? We good? All right, so Courtney, Raming, you have any questions?
No, sir, all good.
Good. So take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. All right, very good. So what I want to do is, I thought we'd done with all the rules. We have one more rule. It looks funny for real, which is corresponding. Yes, we didn't do corresponding. That's our last one. That's our last one. One more rule. All right. All right. Let's go. So we have. So the last rule that we're gonna deal with is gonna be, we're gonna say this is gonna be corresponding angles. So this is rule number 8. Is it? So rule number 8. Geometry. Geometry for number 8. All right, so it says that corresponding angles are equal. They form a F shape. That's backward F, forward F, whatever. Okay. That's rule number 8, our final rule. Now that's our final rule. Okay, so go ahead. Leandrea, where's Leandrea?
Okay.
Read number 8 for me, please.
Corresponding geometry. Corresponding angles are equal. They form a F shape.
Very good. Very good. And Malia rule, read number 8.
Corresponding angles are equal. They form the F shape.
Very good. Very good. And Marissa, where's Marissa? Marissa Gardner. Marissa, can you hear me? Sharonique?
Yes, sir.
Read number 8.
Corresponding angles are equal. They form an F shape.
Very good. And Tyler, read number 8. for me.
Geometry rule 8. Corresponding angles are equal. They form an F shape.
Very good. All right. And Nalia, read rule number 8 for me, please.
Geometry rule number 8. Corresponding angles are equal. They form an F shape.
Very good. So let's go ahead and do this. So we have, so again, the same ideas of this parallel lines and transversal thing. So it's gonna be this, and this is gonna be this. This is all right, so we have this angle right there, and this angle right there. So this is A, and this is B. So we have this shape right there, this line, and this one right there as well. And they have this one right now. All right, do you all see the F shape? Do you all see the F shape?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yeah, sir.
Very good. So now here's the thing, right? If you want to remember it, another way you could remember it is if you could say, this one is on the, okay, so this is the point right there. This is the transversal, right? A is to the left or to the right of the transversal? A is to the left or to the right of the transversal?
The right.
To the right. So it's to the right, okay? And A is A, with respect to this line, the same line right there, is A above it or A below it? With respect to the same line, is A above it or A below it? With respect to this line. Is A above this line or A below this line? Don't be shy. Is A above this line or A below this line?
Below.
Above.
No.
Below. It's below it. Think about it. A is below this line, this horizontal line. A is below this, and A is to the right of this line. So we could say that A is at the bottom right. So if A is at the bottom right, you have to find one that's also at the bottom right. So that's the idea. So let's go here. So that means that we have to find one. So with respect to this green line, is B above the green line or below the green line? B. Is B below? Very good. Below. And with respect to this blue line here,
Right.
is B to the left or to the right of the blue line?
Right.
To the right. Very good. So B is also to the right. So the idea here is that if you are at the bottom right for this one, you must also be at the bottom right. That's why they could be what they call it, corresponding. So bottom right, bottom right. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, so what do we know about corresponding angles? Do we see the F? Does everyone see the F shape before I move on? Do y'all see the F?
Yes, so.
Good. So
Yes.
that means that A is what? Equal to what? To B. Right? A is equal to B because they are corresponding angles. So because they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Because they are corresponding angles. Okay. Okay, Asia, what shape do corresponding angles form?
They form an F shape.
They form an F shape. Very good. And Ajani, where's Ajani? Where's Ajani? Can I from Ajani? How about Albert?
Yes, sir.
What do we know about corresponding angles? What shape do they form?
The F shape.
An F shape. Very good, an F shape. Very good. And corresponding angles are what? Do they add up to 180 or they are equal?
Equal.
They are equal. Very good. They're equal. Who was Bloom's Buds Daycare Preschool? Who was that? Who was that? What's her name? I don't know if they know that they are under Bloom Buds Preschool, but someone's name is Blooming Buds Daycare and Preschool. Okay.
Sounds wholesome though.
Okay, next. Let's do another one. Let's do another example. So this could come in a bunch of ways, right? So there's multiple what do you call it? Corresponding angles. So this is gonna be that. So we did bottom right, right? But we could also do top right, top left, bottom left. We could do all that. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's say we have this one and let's call this D, say. And then this is gonna be E, right? So hopefully y'all could still see the F shape, right? So this is the F shape right there. Oh boy. Yeah, this is the F shape right there. This is the F shape. This is gonna be this right here. This is gonna be this right here. Okay, so that means this one on top, D, and this is E. Okay. Okay. So do y'all see the F shape for this one? Do you all see the F shape?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So let me ask you the question. With respect to this, wait, let's do green. With respect to this green line, so you have this green line, horizontal green line. Is D above it or D below it?
Above.
D is above it. Very good.
Above.
So D is above it. So D is going to be, is it at the top or at the bottom of it? The top or the bottom of it? It's at the top, right? So it's going to be top, right? So top. All right. And so it's at the top. Now with respect to this blue line right here, with respect to this blue line, is D, wait, y'all probably can't see that line. That's so dark. Let's do a lighter one. With respect to this blue line here, is D to the left or to the right of the blue line?
Right.
To the right, very good. So to the right, so it's gonna be to the right. So D is at the top what? Top right.
Top right.
Make sense? Make sense to y'all? So D is at the top right. So we need to find an angle that's corresponding to this. So the angle that's corresponding to this must also be at the top right. So let's go ahead and, make sure that's the case. So let's go here and we have this, this green line here, right here. With respect to this green line, what is E? With respect to the green line, E is what? With respect to the green line, E is what? Is it to the top of it or to the bottom of it? With respect, it's to the top of it. Very good. So top of it. Good. And good. And then let's go ahead and look at this guy here. With respect to the with respect to the blue line, what is E? E is what? With respect to the blue line, is it to the left of the blue line or to the right of the blue line?
The right.
To the right. Very good. So we have top right and we have top right. So these are what? Let's see word we use to describe these angles. They are what?
Corresponding.
Corresponding angles. Very good. And what do we know about corresponding angles?
They're equal.
They're equal. They're equal. Very good. 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 So we say let's make a note of that. So we say D is equal to so they are equal because they are they are corresponding angles. Because they are corresponding angles. because they are corresponding angles.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, will the answer to D and E be 90 degrees?
Why you say 90?
Because I did it a different way and I just want to see if it would.
It wouldn't be 90 because in order for you to be 90,
It doesn't have the little box.
it doesn't have the little box. Plus, for you to be 90, 90 is difficult. 90 is like a right angle. So you're looking at something that's like this. Like, that's very difficult to be 90. So
I
90,
said 90 because I didn't do it with corresponding. I tried to do it a different way to see what would happen.
but the thing is, you don't have no values. So it's hard to really like know. All we know is that they are equal. That's all we know. So if this is 60, this is also going to be 60. If this is 45, it's going to be 45. If this is 90, this is going to be 90. Right? So, but that's all we know, that they're corresponding. That's it.
Would you like me to show you how I got 90?
Yeah, tell me how you got 90.
The way I got 90 is I look at E, I see it on a straight line. Angles on a straight line that meet at a common point, 180. Would be would E be E would technically be half of it, eh? So that'd be 90.
Well, that's
And
the thing.
then
That's the assumption right there. We don't know if E is half of it. We just know that E is on a straight line and it's gonna be, let's call this one P. It's gonna be, its sum is gonna add up to P and E is gonna add up to 180. We don't know how much like the proportion. So like E could be 50 and P is 130, or E could be 40 and P is 140, or E could be or P could be 160 and E is 20. Like they just add up to 180. It's not that it's half of it. But to your point, Kanan, there is a case where you're right. There's a case where if we know it's half, then yes, these two could be 90. And they would be corresponding angles. Because you could clearly see the F. It's like a perfect F. So there is a special case where it's 90. Both of them is 90. So that is true. But it's not in every case, it's 90. Right?
yeah, so if we can't find it, wouldn't that mean that D and E would be equal to X?
D and E would be equal to X? You said if they'll be equal to X?
Yeah, so D would be equal to X and E would be equal to X, no?
We don't have to say X because X is just a variable. We already have a variable, so we don't have to say X again. Right? Because D and E means that it's unknown, it's a variable. So we don't have to say it's equal to X again. Because X is just another letter. All right, so let's do an example. Oh, we only have a few more moments left. So I can't believe it's already 9 o'clock. So let's do this one example and then we'll be out of here. So co-interior angles. No, corresponding, right?
It's gotta be the first Thursday we only had mathematics.
Yeah, this is unusual of us, right? So
A sad day.
yeah, very sad. Very sad day. Okay. But at least I'm glad we still got something in because it's better than not having class. So I'm glad we still got some in. But next time we will have our full time corresponding angles. Okay, so
I don't think your Wi-Fi won us because it gave us like a whole free hour.
I get a whole one. I hope y'all use that. I hope y'all use that wisely. I really hope y'all use that wisely.
Mr. Petit, like I totally didn't even know what to do with my time. Like with that free hour that your Wi-Fi just decided to give us because it hates us.
Wow. Okay.
It really doesn't like us. We
Oh,
could
wow.
got wow.
Wow. Wow. Okay. I look like I need to go to live because BTC in it. All right, so
Please do.
It is darling.
all right, so okay, so first of all, we have these two examples. Um, do you all see the F? That's my question. Do you all see the F? Right? So y'all see it
I
without
see
me
it.
drawing it? Y'all see it? So go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead. Someone have a question? All right, so do y'all see the F? So let me go ahead and draw it. So this I'm gonna highlight it. So this is here, this is here, right? This is here. All right. Nalia and Sharnik, do y'all see the F shape? Let me know.
Do we have to draw
Yes,
that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have to draw this. Yes, you have to draw this. And Tyler, do you see the
Minutes.
do you see the F?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Does it count if the count if the F is upside down, right?
It counts. It counts.
Thank you.
So this is at the top. This is gonna be bottom left, right?
Yes, Miss Witty.
And this is bottom left. Yes.
So why can't be the other way?
Why it can't be the other way? You mean like how?
The F.
The other way? What you mean the other way? You mean like this? You mean like that?
Yes, sir.
It could. It could. So these two angles are corresponding. It's just that we wanna zoom in on the ones that we are doing, where they have numbers, right? So there are other corresponding angles. That's fine, but we're not worrying about them right now because we're not dealing with that. We only want to focus on where our angles and letters are. Okay, so just make a note of that. You only want to focus on the ones on the F where your angle is, because that's what you're trying to figure out. We're trying to figure out what X is. So we know that these are corresponding angles. So what is X gonna be equal to? What's X gonna be?
81.
81, very good, 81 degrees. So X is 81 degrees. All right. Let's do number two. Number two. So let's go ahead and draw the F shape again. Albeit a backward F, but hey. So this is here, this is here.
So if it's like that now, it just means the X is 76, right?
Very good. X is 70. Do we agree with Cleveland? X is 76.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. So this would be at the top what? Top
Top left.
This is gonna be what? Top left as well. And so this is 76, this is 76. Again, the bottom left, you don't have to actually write it down. You don't have to actually do that. I just do that so you could kind of see it, but you don't, it's not mandatory that you put that. Because some people might be like, Mr. BD, I don't know top left, top right, I don't know what you're talking about. That's fine. Just identify the F and which angles are corresponding. That's all. And so this is gonna be 76. So 76 degrees. Yeah. Okay. Very good.
What'd you say the BL and TL was for again?
So this is the bottom left. So with respect to this line, X is to the bottom, and respect to the transversal, X is to the left. So to the bottom left, same thing with this one. This one is at the bottom, 81 is at the bottom, and it's to the left of this transversal. So bottom left, and then the TL is top left, and then TR would be top right, and then TR would be top right, and then BR would be bottom right.
Thank you.
Very good. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Once you've already done that, then you can leave. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. We'll play catch up on next week.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank
Good night. Good
God,
night.
grace.
Night, Mr. Petit.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, are we not doing another subject today?
No, it's too late. It's too late. We started late, so that's fine. All right.